Okay, you're trying to find the A value and the B value that satisfy both of these equations at the same time. And it looks like they're using the elimination method, which means the goal is to find, you want to be able to add these two equations and eliminate one of the variables. And so what they're telling you to do is to, if you multiply the top by something and the bottom by something so that one of those variables is the same but opposite in sign, then you'll be able to eliminate it. So for example, if I multiply the top by 11 and the bottom by 2, which is what they did, so 11 times 2a plus 14b equals 52, and then the bottom one by 2, right? So as long as you multiply both sides of the equation by the same thing, it stays balanced. All right? So if I distribute that 11 to this, this, and this, that's 22a plus, what's 14 times 11? 154b equals, and then I'm 11 times 52 is 572. All right, so now we're going to do the second one. So we're going to multiply everything here by 2. So that's 22a. See, this is why we did this. Minus 76b equals 112. Okay? So, I'm just going to circle these. We now have our a's are exactly the same, right? So our coefficients are the same. So if I take the top one and subtract the bottom one from it, the a's will disappear. Hence the elimination method. All right? So if I subtract it, so here's, you got to be careful with the sign. You're subtracting every one of these terms to the other one. So don't just subtract the 22a. So 22a minus 22a is 0a, right? 154b minus a minus 76b really means you're adding those b's, right? A minus is a plus. So what is that? Plus, let's do it, b 230b. Okay, equals, and remember you're subtracting, so 572 minus 112 is 460. Okay, we don't really write the 0b, the 0a, so now you have 230b equals 460. You want to solve for b, so you're going to divide both sides by 230. These numbers work out nice and clean, so b is equal to 2. Okay, now that's only part of what you want. You need to find the a, so you go back into either one of those equations, plug in this b, and solve for a. So I'm going to pick the first one because the numbers are smaller. So 2 times a plus 14 times 2 equals 52. And so now you need to solve for a. So this is 2a plus 28 equals 52. Now you subtract 28 from both sides. Let's come over here. 2a equals, what is that, 424? Yep. Divide now by 2 and you get a is 12. So that means your solution should be 12, 2. Now, I would plug that a and b into both of those equations just to check your work, bro.